It's almost gardening time here in New England, so let me show you something that's going to make your garden look organized and actually help your plants grow better. This is a U-shaped metal cucumber trellis, and it's a full kit. It comes with the sturdy metal frame, trellis netting, a roll of twist tie, 20 reusable garden clips, and some ties. So basically everything you need to get your climbing plants set up the right way. Setup is honestly really simple. You just put all the pieces together. I actually enjoyed putting everything together. It's kind of fun. And once your frame is done, you just position the frame over your raised bed, secure it into the soil, and then attach the netting across the structure. That's it. For the netting, I did trim mine slightly since it was a little bigger than I needed. Once it's up, you can start guiding your plants using the clips and ties. This helps train them to grow vertically instead of spreading all over the ground. And that actually makes a big difference. Your plants get better sunlight, better airflow, and it helps prevent rot and damage. So this would work great for cucumbers, but you can also use it for tomatoes, peas, beans, even squash or flowers. So whether you're working with a backyard garden, raised beds, or even a greenhouse, this just makes the whole process easier and more productive. Definitely check it out.